Hey, hi, I'm Kazi here, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to insert citations in Microsoft Word. It's quite simple, guys, so let's get started without wasting any more time. First of all, you need to select the references on the upper side. Simply tap on the references, and then under the citation option, as you can see, we got a citation option right over here. All right, so you can see also there is a style option right over here. You can simply tap on it to select the style that you want. So there is APS styles, Chicago, IEEE, and many more options will be available here. So you can use the desired one of your style. So I'm going with the IEEE, and then simply tap on the insert citation, and then you can simply add the add new source. All right, so tap on it, and now from here you can add the author name, title, year, city, publisher, everything that is been given onto the side. You can add everything right into this box, and then hit on OK to add the citation to your document. So that's how you can simply insert citation in Microsoft Word. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.